If you want to lock down your remote access and make sure only approved devices can connect to your computer, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to set access control settings in AnyDesk, step by step, so you can create a safer and more controlled remote access setup. This is especially useful if you use AnyDesk for work, support, or managing multiple devices and you only want trusted devices on your whitelist. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more software tips, and let's jump right in. First, open the AnyDesk application on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the main dashboard and all the options you need to manage your remote connection settings. From here, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-line menu icon. This opens the main menu where you can access the app settings and configuration options. In the drop-down menu, click Settings. This will open the full settings panel for AnyDesk. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Find and click Access. This section is where you can control who can connect to your device and how those connections are handled. If prompted, unlock the security settings first. Depending on your system and AnyDesk permissions, you may need to enter a password or confirm access before making changes. This is normal and it ensures that only authorized users can edit security-related settings. Now, under the Access settings, look for the Access Control List section. This is the part that lets you create a whitelist of trusted devices. To activate this feature, enable Restrict Client Access. Once this is turned on, AnyDesk will only allow connection requests from devices that you have added to your approved list. That means random or unknown devices won't be able to connect unless you explicitly permit them. Next, it's time to add a trusted device. Click the plus icon next to the access control list. A small pop-up window will appear asking for the AnyDesk ID of the device you want to allow. Carefully enter the AnyDesk ID for the trusted computer or device. Make sure the number is correct because even one wrong digit could prevent the right device from connecting. After entering the ID, click the plus icon again to add the device to your list. This saves the trusted device inside your access control list and gives it permission to send connection requests to your computer. If you manage more than one trusted system, you can repeat this process for each device you want to approve. Once you've added the device, close the pop-up window, then return to the access settings page and look at the access control list again. You should now see the device ID listed there. This is your confirmation that the device was added successfully and that the access control setting is working as expected. Now let's test it. From the trusted device you just added, send a connection request to this machine. If everything is configured properly, a request pop-up should appear on your screen. When that happens, check the AnyDesk ID shown in the request and verify that it matches the device you added to the whitelist. This is an important security step because it helps confirm that the request is coming from the correct source. If the ID matches and you recognize the device, click Accept to allow the connection. If it does not match, do not approve it. Instead, double-check your access control list and make sure only the correct trusted devices are listed. That way, you keep tighter control over who can access your system. And that's it. You've now set access control settings in AnyDesk and added a trusted device to your whitelist. This is one of the best ways to improve security while still making remote access simple and efficient. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more AnyDesk guides in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.